Alright, what I have here today is a Segal Mortise cylinder that I received in a lot I purchased a while back off of eBay. And I kind of looked into the history of them. If you search Segal locks, they have a cool history website about their different television and movie appearances, and also their earlier stuff. The Jimmy Proof lock that they've invented back in, I think it was the early 1900s, something like that. But it was cool. This isn't the hardest lock to pick. Actually, pretty easy. I just wanted to open it up and see what was on the inside. This is their SE1 keyway. I'm not sure how old this is. I didn't clean it or anything. This is the way I received it. So I think this is from maybe newer stock. I do believe they are still making some locks. Let's see. Still around. Alright. Take off the tailpiece. And we'll see how the tolerances are, or maybe the machine work. I'm not sure what it's like inside. Oh, I lost the first one. Okay. All standard stuff in there. It is keyed. I don't have a key for this one. I'm just gonna dump all this stuff out of here. I'm thinking it's all the same. Yeah, it does look newer. Yeah, definitely. Let's see what we got here. Standard pins, newer springs. Looks like pretty good quality springs, although one of them is kind of compressed. Let's see. It's all standard stuff. Maybe I'll put some spool pins in there. I'm not sure. The plug looks well machined though. Has been kind of flattened down up here. Yeah, I don't think this was in use. Looks very, very clean. And here's the rest of the cylinder. I'm not sure what's up with this here. Looks like that was done by hand before this piece was put on top, before it was keyed up. Alright, that's it. Going to be a short video. Thanks for watching, and happy picking.